Hey folks, this is meant to be a follow-up video to this is not an installation video. This is a video showing what happens after I activate it and enabled it at the dealership. So if you were interested in seeing the installation video for the CoolFlow fan or the installation video for the oil cooler fan assist installation, look at the link below. I'll put it down. You can just click on it in the description and it should take you to the actual installation video. Okay, this is a follow-up video. I installed the CoolFlow fan, that's the switch to activate or put it on auto mode. The fan's right here. Here is the CoolFlow fan. I also got this to help channel the air down. Okay, it's installed on my last video, but I didn't get a chance to go to the dealership to have it enabled. I've done that already. Once the CoolFlow fan was enabled, I'm going to show you here. You can actually click and it'll tell you if you wanted to put it on fan on auto, turn the fan off, or have the fan just on. You can hear that fan just come on around 250 degrees. Pulls the heat away from the driver and passenger very nicely. So we can just push it on to auto. It's a very nice feature because it actually works with this new speedometer tachometer combo. This fan seems to turn off automatically at about 35 to 37 miles per hour. I can reach my hand under it. I can feel that there's no more fan blowing under there. But anything slower than that automatically comes on. I don't even hear it. I have to stop and look for it. The oil cooler fan, right here, came on around 220. The gas station is about a quarter mile or a half a mile from me. So I rode out and stopped at the gas station. By that time, the engine reached about 200 degrees. Today it's about 85, 90 degrees out, and that fan came on half a mile. Not sure if it's temperature monitored. So again, the oil cooler fan does come on very quickly. I rode about 5 minutes into the ride, 2 to 5 minutes to get to the gas station, and then I looked under as soon as I got to the gas station, and this fan was actually already running.